Welcome back. Given the changes in internet security, you are going to want to take steps to make sure that the visitors that come to your site have their privacy protected. And you can do that by going to your plugin area and you can do a search for privacy. You will see a number of plugins available that will allow you to do GDPR and CCPA for California. You'll want to research the plugin that you want to use for that purpose. Now there is one plugin that is compatible with our version of WordPress. It is this plugin, Compliance. We are going to install that plugin. We are then going to activate the plugin. We're then going to configure Compliance. Now every privacy plugin is going to be different. Compliance allows you to dictate the default setting for all of your privacy given the visitors that are going to be coming to your site. When you do that, you'll be required to answer some questions. Now later in this course, we are going to give site visitors login access to a restricted area of the website. So we're going to click Yes. We're then going to click Save and Continue. You're only going to get certain features with a premium version. We are going to work with the cookie policy as well as the privacy statement. That is really why we picked up this plugin. And so we're going to allow Compliance to work with our cookie policy and privacy statement. We're going to click Save and Continue. We're going to be required to write in some identifying information. We're going to write in our email address and our phone number. For the sake of the plugin, what kind of personal data is going to be processed on the site? We're then going to click Save and Continue. Once you do that, you'll then click Save and Continue. We need to disclose what kind of statistics that we collect. Once we have gone through the process, we can then click Save and Continue. Now Compliance will tell you if you are missing any documents and what you need to create. We'll do that and click Save and Continue. And once we've gone through the entire process, we can then click Finish. And what we have now done is we have now created basic privacy documents. Now this does not mean that we have all of the documents that we'll need for every country. This is something that you are going to want to explore and make sure that you have in totality everything you need in the places where you are doing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.